Zambia ambassador and Redken artist Mandy here today to share with you some hot tips on cutting a bob as well as using a razor. Of course, you know I've got my Zambia razor ready to go. Have you ever had a consultation with your client? You decided where you wanted your bob length to fall, but then you cut it and it didn't quite hit the mark. It either needed to be a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. This technique I'm going to show you today is going to make it so you're getting accurate results every time without having to recut that perimeter line. Working with a razor is going to save me so much time so that I don't have to blow this dry and then point cut in with my shears. I'm getting through my haircuts faster with more accuracy, and I'm going to create so much more movement in the haircut.